Isn't the design very pretty?
Yeah, the color is pretty too.
Aunt, take a look at this. This will look very beautiful on Diya.
They don't have enough to eat, but look at them showing off to the world.
This one is for the turmeric ceremony.
Why you had to spend so much? Something simple would have worked just fine. I mean, Diya is already beautiful. Why was the need of spending so much?
Diya. Diya.
Shobha, go and check who is it.
Yes, Mom.
Is Diya at home?
Yes. Come in. Come in.
Are you busy with the wedding preparations? Don't worry, Aunt. I'm not here to say anything that would stress you or worry you. Just call Diya, please. One minute. Diya? Dear Diya?
Yes, Mom. You here?
I've come to invite you to my pre-wedding ceremony. Take this. Come on, take it. Your outfit for the ceremony. Actually, the groom side and the bride side will dress according to the theme. You will be representing the bride side, so I thought I should get you the dress. You'll have to come, Diya. No second thoughts. Do come for me and for Arjun.
Actually, it won't be possible to step out of the house before the wedding. So, I can't be sure about coming.
But can you not try, Diya?
She declined my call.
Answer it, Diya. It must be an important call. Yes, Diya, answer it. It could be an important call.
Don't say a word. Just listen. I know that Tina's at your place. She's there to invite you. Do not decline the invitation. Is that okay? If she insists you to come, you will say yes. Right? What happened? Are you listening?
Yes. Hello? Hello?
And listen, it's very important for us to meet before the match. It's a last opportunity to meet for both of us before the wedding. Okay?
Who was on the call?
I don't know, Mom. It wasn't audible that much. I think it was a wrong number.
Auntie, now this is your responsibility. To send my friend to my ceremony. Tina dear, I don't think her father will agree to this. I will have to talk to him first.
Yes, I have heard everything. If she's inviting Dia for a pre-wedding ceremony, I have no problem with it. Even I warned that all the misunderstanding that Arjun's family has with Dia should be cleared. It's better for everyone.
Wow. Now we have your father's permission, Dia. Please don't decline now. Take this. Take it.
I don't know why, but all this feels so weird. But I will have to go. Even Arjun has said the same.
Do come, Dia. Let me see. What is your plan? Mom, here's your ginger basil tea. What happened, Mom? Why do you look so anxious?
I don't know what to do. I made a mistake by trusting that girl. And this Tina? What was the need to invite? I don't understand. At least she should have asked me before inviting. I don't want that girl anywhere close to Arjun before the wedding.
Mom! Tina honey has just called up. And let me tell you that your would-be daughter-in-law is way smarter than your imagination. I'm telling you.
But what did Tina say? I hope she has not spoken to that Dia again. Arjun will get really upset this time.
No, Mom. Tina has gone out to give that girl an outfit for the musical ceremony, for our party, for the theme party. Oh, Mom. She is a middle-class girl. And a middle-class girl like her won't have clothes for such glamorous parties that we host.
But what was the need to invite that girl for the party?
It's a good thing that she's invited. Only then will the things be clear to us, right? Because we all think that there is something brewing between Arjun and her. Anyway, these things can't stay hidden from me. I can always find out.
Stop it, Niharika. If there was something between her and Arjun, she wouldn't have agreed for the wedding. And Mom is absolutely right. It's not a good idea to invite her for our musical ceremony.
I know one thing. I just don't want to see that girl in this house. Arjun has questioned his own mother for the first time because of that girl.
If I walk past them, they will question me. It might turn into an ugly drama. Dia's going to be here for the musical ceremony. I need to give her all the stuff. But first, I need to go and buy all that stuff. But I don't know how should I do it.
I don't know. But I'm feeling very nervous already. Oh Lord. Please take care of everything. Let nothing go wrong. Just let everything go smoothly. I don't wish anything else. Please, Lord. Please.
Dia,
Arjun?
I was just about to call you up. Be there on time. But before the function starts.
Why? Is there a training tomorrow?
No, I have to discuss something important with you.
All that is fine. But tell me, where are you?
I'm out.
Arjun, there are wedding preparations happening at your house, right? Then what are you doing out?
I had to buy some important stuff.
What was so important? Go home right away.
Wait a minute. Why are you sounding so tensed? Hello, Dia. Is everything all right?
Yes. Everything is fine. I'm saying this because there are wedding preparations going on at your place. And I think you should spend some time with your family. Shouldn't you?
Are you sure? This is the only thing.
Yes. No, I mean... Arjun, I've been getting bad intuitions since morning. My heart is very anxious. I don't think everything is good. Arjun, Mom says that these are not good signs. I don't know why, but I feel that something is going to go wrong. Something is going to go very wrong. Arjun, you're out. Now listen to me. Please go home now. Please.
Boss, look there. The same guy.
Idiot! He's the same one. Daredevil Arjun.
Yes, boss.
Today let me break all his ego down. Thrash and flog this idiot so badly that even his family is not able to recognize him.
You're having intuitions. Really? I can't believe you're talking exactly like my mother. Don't you stress. What's the worst that can happen to me? You focus on your game. And as much as possible, follow Riya Chakraborty's videos. And observe her techniques too.
I will watch all her videos and all techniques too. I'll do everything, but please go home right now. Please.
What are you waiting for? Come on!
Hello?
Hello?
Dia?
Hello?
Hello?
Hello, Arjun?
Hello?
Hello, Arjun? Arjun, can you hear me? Arjun, are you listening? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Arjun, are you listening? Hello? Hello?
Yes, everything's fine. I won't go home until I finish the work. And afterwards,
Hello? Hello? Arjun, are you listening? Hello? Hello? Arjun? Arjun, are you listening? Hello? Hello? Why is he not saying anything? Arjun? 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 Arjun, can you hear me? Arjun, Arjun, please say something. Arjun? His phone is not reachable too. What must have happened?
Dia? 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 Your wedding cards are here. Your father is calling you downstairs. He's very happy. Come soon. Come
Yes,
on.
Mom. Is Arjun in some trouble?
What were you boasting of? Your ego, huh? Let me totally crush your ego now.
Hey!
Be it money or revenge, I always take it back completely, with full interest. Now I will disfigure your face in such a way that no one will be able to identify you.
Boss, police! Come on, run! Run!
Come on! This was your first installment. Be ready for the next one.
Hey, what happened? What happened? Was there any problem here? Who did this to you? Who are those people?
There were some goons. Looks like they were local goons. A few days ago, they were troubling some elderly people. They were forcefully evicting them out of the house.
Don't worry.
Hey, Dia, come here. Look, your wedding cards are here. As of now, we have received only 5. Rest all the cards will arrive tomorrow. I couldn't wait. Look, I got this first card just for you. Isn't it good? What happened, dear? Didn't you like it?
Yes, it's very nice, Dad. Very
Right?
nice.
I am extremely happy with your wedding cards. That I can't express it in words. On this happy occasion, make me some good tea. Okay? Mira, you remember the guest list that I had given to you? The rest of the cards will arrive tomorrow, and I will start distributing them immediately.
Arjun, are you listening? Hello? Hello?
Yes, everything's fine. I won't go home until I finish the work. And afterwards...
Hello? Arjun? Arjun, are you listening? Hello? Hello?
Dia! Have you gone crazy? What were you doing, huh? Your hand would have burned. Dia, where are you lost?
Dia? Mira? Hey, why does it smell like something is burning?
There was a milk vessel on the gas, so it got burnt.
Oh, okay. Please make some tea quickly. Dear, my dear, offer the first card that I gave you to our goddess Durga. And yes, I will ask for the delivery of other cards tomorrow.
What did you do, Dia? What did you do? You burnt first wedding card? Do you have any idea how inauspicious this is? I just hope your dad doesn't find out.
I won't go home until I finish the work. And afterwards...
Hello? Arjun? Arjun, are you listening?
Arjun, what is wrong? Arjun, why are you limping like that? Will you please tell me? Stop. Oh dear Lord, Arjun, you're bleeding. Arjun, what happened? Please
What are you
tell me.
doing? Shh! Please stay quiet. Can't you see him sneaking inside the house?
But what has happened? Will you please tell me? Have you met with an accident? Just wait here. I'll go call mom. Mom!
Deepika,
Mom!
Deepika, for God's sake, what are you doing? Listen to me. Get the first aid box, please. I'll put the bandage and it'll be fine.
Arjun, first aid will not help you. You're bleeding profusely. It will need stitches. Just wait. I'll call the doctor. Wait.
Deepika, it's nothing major. Please, it's a small wound. I have a player's body, so it's okay. Just do one thing. I'll dress the wound. You please get the first aid box. And get some ice too.
But what's the problem in telling mom?
It's a wedding atmosphere out there. Everyone's happy and joyous. If I tell this to mom, she'll be tense for no reason. And because of me, there'll be one more scene. Do you want this to happen?
Arjun, but...
You just talk too much. Please get me a first aid box. And if you won't get it, this groom will.
Just shut up, Arjun, okay? I will deal with you later. Oh dear, I don't understand. What should I do?
It's very easy to understand. Just get the first aid box. And yes, some ice too.